Welcome to Highland Park second grade. I'm Cindy Wales, and I will be 17 lucky children's teacher this year. I can't wait to meet you on Monday, August 10th. We are going to have an exciting school year this year. Now, things are going to look a little bit different, but trust me, all the learning and fun is still going to take place. Can't wait to see you bright and early, August 10th.
Hello, and welcome to my classroom. My name is Terry Dobry, and I am a second grade teacher here at Highland Park Elementary School. Hopefully, if you're in my classroom, this is what it looks like. Every day you'll take home a communication folder, and inside is important information you'll want to make sure that you look at, as well as your homework sheet. So look at this every day. We are excited and can't wait to see you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Bobby Jeter, and I want to welcome you to second grade here at Highland Park Elementary. I'm excited to meet you. Many of you know me when I taught pre-K last year. I'm looking forward to meeting each of you in my class, and we're going to have a great year of learning. And I look forward to not only seeing you, but seeing you grow as scholars, and hope that this year will be an inspiring year for you and that you'll reach your full potential. We look forward to meeting you on Monday the 10th, August 10th.
See ya.
Bye, can't wait to see
See
you.
ya.
Good to see you.
August 10th.
Be there.